Head to Mecca. Brian Mecca makes Mecca with a defensive stop. Tampos!
Oh my goodness!
Nagmanligas, nagmamadali. Tampos bumuelo! Tampos! Tampos! Oh! Tie game! 2 minutes Kalahat. Oh! By Meneses! He goes to Mecca. Nice fake by Mecca. Off the glass and in! Cabanag launches the 3. It's good! 76 Martel, second free throw, no good. Agawan sa bola, scramble. Cabanag, Tumanday.
Step back and kiss myself. Big time plays, big time plays. Woo!
Eh, siya lang. Simula na yung ating fourth. The action. Manday has to fire. Not the best of percentages para kay Manday, but you know, he'll get over that. Tampos getting his own miss. Tampos, 1 for 2. For the ball. Wala, hindi mo makukuha yung timing mo eh. Manday attacks and scores.
This guy, a little bit of everything so far in this game as Brian Mecca gets fouled. 6 points, 6 rebounds, 2 assists.
Kagabi, yung kay Diego Dario.
Yeah,
Pagpasok niya, alam niya kung anong ini-expect niya. Alam niya kung ano.
that looked very clean to me.
Manliguez to Tampos. 3 ball is good. Shooter.
You know, this is a guy that has flown over the radar para sa Cebu, and this might be just the time for him to try and help Cebu make a run. That time now, Brian Mecca, no one responsible for those.
It's the ball on the deck. There's a double team that's taken away by Darrell Manliguez. Cebu on the run. Meneses fires. No. Nice fake by Tampos. He's been the spark here in the fourth.
Excellent timing. Yeah. But it's nice that you have a couple of guys running down in Tampos.
With an 18-point lead for Caloocan. Now it's down to 10. And it's another turnover for Caloocan. Batang Kangkalu looking vulnerable at the moment. Meneses to Tampos, who's looking confident.
Ooh!
Nice pass inside. Agawan sa bola. Tampos comes away with it. Binigay kay Manliguez. Inside Meneses. Nagdalawang isip. Oh man. Valencia up against Manliguez. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Romel Kalahat. Kalahat attacks. It's a foul.
Kalahat has always been a player that I was.
Romel Kalahat. Former San Caloocan.
Actually had a pretty good stint with some.
The PBL player.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Tampos. Bumuelo. Binigay kay Meneses. Oh my goodness. He went up high for that one. 10 points para kay Manday. Cabanag. Jeremiah, the shot fake. The 3 won't go. Sumuda.
Down a 3 in this period, talking about the Batang Kangkalu after knocking down 10 in the first 3 periods.
Martel, this could be big. Leon Martel trims the deficit. Manday swings it over to Jeremiah Cabanag. Cabanag, the runner across the lane. No! Ang tapik to Manliguez. Ahead to Mecca. Brian Mecca makes it a 5-point game.
This is exactly the Cebuano pride.
Fourth quarter. Jeremiah getting too casual there. Sees a gap in the lane. Layup is short. Meneses with a rebound. Quickly to Manliguez. It's a 3-on-1 break. And Brian Mecca finishes it. And he can't call Coach Ronnie.
2 early timeouts.
Kalahat on the move. Foul
So now he'll have to let his players play this one out.
for Caloocan.
We thought that this
Game
game,
nila si Sumuda, who I think really held them back with the speed. Bitoon. 4 seconds on the shot clock. It's a wild shot from Chris Bitoon. Brian Mecca with a defensive stop. Tampos!
oh my goodness! slowing down. A lot of credit to the pass as well.
Galing na naman kay Manligues, eh, no?
9 assists in the game for Daryl Manligues.
Cabanag, off-balance shot is good. Under 3 minutes to play, 5 puntos na si Jeremy Cabanag. Manligues nagmamadali. Tampos bumuelo! Tampos! 11 points in the fourth. Lim.
And all because of the passing of Daryl Manligues.
Oh, Bitoon misses. Holding foul on Flores. And that will mean free throws here.
Yeah, both teams already depend.
Campos sinks the free throw.
And the guy that's helping them overcome it.
Pag ano to, pag nag-best player, tanungin ko ng ano eh. Sino po? Sino po sila? Cabanag with a jumper. Oh, the poise of Jeremy Cabanag there on full display. 7 in the ball game. Campos. Oh! Tied game!
Wow!
We're tied at 73. The final 2 minutes, Kalahat. Oh! By Meneses! Cabanag. Umatake, nabitawan ng bola. Campos. Will he go all the way? He could have taken. Mecca on to Meneses. Daryl Manligues. To Martel. He goes to Mecca. Nice fake by Mecca. Off the glass and in! Cebu in the lead.
In this game.
Bitoon. Labas kay Cabanag. That's a 3 from Jeremer. That is short. Rebound ni Meneses. Ahead to Mecca. Ryan Mecca fouled.
This is exactly what
Mecca sinks the free throw.
he's now in double figures. Sadel.
3 earlier as well. 3-point game. Caloocan stunned at the moment. Kasin. Bitoon for 3. No. Another crack at it. Bitoon. No good. Manlangit saves it. It's out of bounds. It's Cebu basketball. But nonetheless,
Well, for sure after this game, Sadel definitely
He's
gonna
gonna be-
find out who he is.
nonetheless, the Cebu fans will love him
For sure.
for what he's done here. 4-second differential, game clock and shot clock. Caloocan still hoping to get a turnover here, but they give up the foul. Irvin Palencia and Daryl Manligues, who has yet to score.
19 points against the seasoned team, but Daryl Manligues.
4-point game. They look to complete that with one defensive stop. Cabanag launches the 3. It's good. We're far from finished here. 7 seconds remaining. It's a 1-point game. Energetic plays. And he's willed Cebu back into this contest. Martel receives the inbound and he is fouled by Gabby Espinas. 5 seconds remaining.
Oh, what a way. Each other for so long in score.
Ooh.
Free throws.
All the way immediately. 77-76. Martel, second free throw. No good. Agawan sa bola. Scramble. Cabanag. Tumanday. And Cebu will escape with a victory. A stunning win over Caloocan.
I'm actually having goosebumps right now. What a game.
You don't like that! You don't like NBA basketball!